still in the StealthBond booth because I really wanted to introduce you all to Magan Jenkins, in charge of marketing, right?
Manager, yes, for StealthBond.
So just so you all know, when you're on the site and you're seeing all these cool ads and you're seeing all the Yeti promotion and everything that's going on, this is the lady who's making it happen and loves Roofer's Coffee Shop. So we were hoping you just kind of share what you have coming up this year, what you're going to, the Yeti promotion, and how do you like being on the coffee shop?
Yeah, of course. So the Roofer's Coffee Shop's brought a lot of opportunity for us at StealthBond because not only do they have a kind of a layout of what you can do with their website and their reach, but also they're open to listening to your ideas. And as a marketing manager, when you think of something in the middle of the night and you're like, wait, oh, that would be so cool, like they're willing to do it and work with you. So I think that's a big plus as an advertiser for myself and for a new brand that's trying to get out there and have that really strong reach amongst roofers. It's really important to us. We do fun things like the Yeti promotion every month. That was something that the team at Roofer's Coffee Shop worked with us with, and we're able to do it. They're the type of team that'll keep you on track with your stuff. So when you're like, oh, I have a deadline, and they're like, hey, Megan, where's that press release? They'll get you on track, and they're the best to work with. They're the absolutely nicest people. They're so fun, and I kind of look forward to meetings with them almost. It's one of those where normally meetings are boring, but with these gals, it's like, it's a lot of fun. So we're big supporters of Roofer's Coffee Shop. Very, very proud partners, and are continuing to look forward to everything that's to come this year for StealthBond and Roofer's Coffee Shop.
Megan, thank you. I don't know whether to blush or just laugh or all the fun times that we have, because I tell you what, you are one of our favorites. So thank you so much. You all know. So thank you so much, and thanks. Good luck with the show.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.